It is also anticipated that the selection system of human resource management will be significantly altered in the next dimension, as the management will be able to telepathically, that means with the aid of BrainNet, they will select the right person for the right position in a fraction of a second, as opposed to spending time and money on a lengthy recruitment and selection process today we have been continuing. Currently, it is not uncommon for candidates to present themselves in a way that they think they will appeal to the organization during an interview, and they become more attractive. However, this does not always reflect their true attributes and may not be sustainable in the long run. The good news for our new heroes is that there will be very little misselection, and discrimination will be monitored across many spectrums. This is due to the fact that whatever discriminatory and unethical thought process will come into our mind regarding employment perspective into the organization, it will be taken up from human limbic process through the mind cloud, from which unwanted thoughts and action will be monitored and controlled for the sake of the entire organizational well-being. Such a current example of antivirus software. This typically works by scanning files and program on our computer for any sign of malicious code or behavior. When it detects something suspicious, it may either quarantine the file or remove it entirely. Well, direct discrimination within corporation will be considerably reduced as a result of Civilization 1 and its AI technology. Let's talk about training and development. It will take a different form. In this regard, initially management will consider uploading the relevant software through BrainNet, taking into account the specific job function. Even if we take this initial understanding of how Microsoft software, including the required apps, has been uploaded and updated the desktop or laptop and including smart mobile phones, in which users have access to the latest features and security updates. And this approach could be applied in a similar fashion to the implanted BrainNet, considering superhuman. And it will enable them to be more productive, efficient, and innovative professionals. When intrinsic and extrinsic motivation will be highly valued on an individual, team, and collective level, compensation and reward will rise to a new level, even beyond of our imagination. However, their ultimate expectation may be beyond our current comprehension. It could include not only food, currency code, and living standards, but also psychological and physical demand in extended ways, such as visiting physical bodies or avatar as a more realistic and conscious way in other celestial planets, where heavenly desire will be served in accordance with our human desires. Whatever we'll do imagine, that will be reality over there, and that will be served